Good day. Can you find the area of the red shaded part of the 4 squares? That will be our lesson today. For our first example, we will be dealing with a square whose perimeter is 40 centimeters. To find the length of its side, we will divide 40 by 4. Therefore, 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10 centimeters. Since we already knew the length of its side, we can get the area. Next step is to find the area of the red shaded part. To get the half of the area of the square, we will create a triangle, a right triangle. Now let's get the area of the triangle. 1/2 of 100 is equal to 50. Therefore, 1/2 of 50 square centimeter is equal to 25 square centimeter. Let's have another example. One side of the square is 10 centimeter, so area is equal to 100 square centimeter. Let's find the area of the blue one. And here is the final answer. Here's another example. The area of this square is 100 square centimeter. 1/2 of the total area is equal to 50 square centimeter. In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.